A conversation on how to be a good doctor. Characters: Aisha, a diligent and curious student who dreams of becoming a pediatrician. Ben, a compassionate student with a strong desire to help people. Carlos, a thoughtful student interested in medical research and surgery. Scene: the three students are sitting under a tree in their schoolyard, discussing their future ambitions. Aisha, excitedly, I can't wait to become a doctor. Ever since I was little, I've wanted to help children get better when they're sick. What about you two? What kind of doctor do you want to be? Ben, smiling, I've always wanted to be a general practitioner. I like the idea of helping people with different health issues and being the first person they turn to when they're not feeling well. But I know it's not just about treating diseases. It's about caring for the whole person. Carlos, thoughtfully, I'm really interested in surgery. There's something about being able to physically fix problems in the body that fascinates me. But I think no matter what kind of doctor you become, you have to be dedicated and willing to work hard. It's a big responsibility. Aisha, absolutely. My mom always tells me that.
A good doctor needs to have a lot of knowledge and skills, but also a big heart. She says patients can sense when a doctor truly cares about them. Ben. I agree. My dad once told me that being a good doctor isn't just about knowing all the medical facts. It's about listening to your patients and understanding their fears and concerns. Sometimes just being there to reassure someone can make a huge difference. Carlos. That's so true. My uncle is a doctor, and he says that good communication is key. You have to be able to explain things clearly to your patients and their families, especially when it comes to tough decisions. Being honest and compassionate helps build trust. Aisha, and patience. I think being patient is so important. Not all patients get better right away, and some treatments take time. A good doctor needs to be patient and encouraging, even when things are difficult.
Ben. Yes, and teamwork too. Doctors often work with nurses, therapists, and other specialists. You have to be able to work well with others and respect their roles. Everyone on the team is important in helping the patient. Carlos. And you can't forget about the need to keep learning. Medicine is always evolving, with new discoveries and technologies. A good doctor is someone who never stops studying and improving their skills. Aisha. Nods. I guess it's about balance. You need to have knowledge, skills, compassion, patience, and the ability to work with others. It sounds challenging, but also really rewarding. Ben. It's definitely not easy, but I think it's worth it. The idea of helping people and making a difference in their lives motivates me to work hard.
Carlos. Me too. I want to be the kind of doctor who can make patients feel safe and cared for, while also being skilled enough to solve complex medical problems. Aisha. We all have our own paths, but I'm sure we'll all become great doctors if we stay focused, work hard, and remember why we wanted to do this in the first place. Ben, smiling. I'm excited for the future. Let's promise to support each other along the way. Carlos nods. Absolutely. We're all in this together. Aisha, cheerfully. To the future doctors. All together. To the future doctors.